Ohayo gozaimasu, hajimemashite. Watashi no namae wa Reiji Ocampo desu. Philippine Jin desu. 20 desu. And today, I'm going to share with you how to say numbers in Japanese. First, number 1 to 10. So, how to say number 1 in Japanese? So, number 1 in Japanese is ichi. Number 2 is ni. Number 3 is san. Number 4 is yon. Number 5 is go. Number 6 is roku. Number 7 is nana. Number 8 is hachi. Number 9 is kyu. Number 10 is ju. For number 11 to 20, you should add ju plus ichi is equals to ju ichi, which is ju is equivalent to 10, then add ichi, which is 1, and it equals to ju ichi. For number 12, just add ju plus ni equals ju ni. For number 13, just add ju plus san equals ju san. It equals to 13. For number 14, you should add ju plus yon equals ju yon. For number 15, you should add ju plus go equals ju go. For number 16, you should add ju plus roku, ju roku. For number 17, you should add ju plus nana equals ju nana. For number 18, just add ju plus hachi is equals to ju hachi. For number 19, just add ju plus kyo equals ju kyo. For number 20, just add ni plus ju. 30 in Japanese is sanju. 40 is yonju. 50 is goju. 60 is rokuju. 70 is nanaju. 80 is hachiju. 90 is yuju. Let's move on the hundreds. 100 is yaku. 200 is ni yaku. 300 is sanbyaku. 400 is yonyaku. 500 is goyaku. 600 is ropyaku. 700 is nanayaku. 800 is hapyaku. 900 is yuyaku. And lastly, let's move on to the thousands. 1,000 in Japanese is sen. 2,000 is nisen. 3,000 is sanzen. 4,000 is yonsen. 5,000 is gosen. 6,000 is rokusen. 7,000 is nanasen. 8,000 is hasen. 9,000 is kyusen. And then 10,000 is man.